Skip numbers. What is meant by skip numbers? Let us understand this with the help of an example. Look at the figure. You can see a series of steps. There is a frog on one step and a squirrel on the other step. Both of them are at the number 13,669. Now, the frog can jump 3 steps at a time, whereas the squirrel can jump only 2 steps at a time. There is food on the 13,679th step. Which of the two will be able to get the food? Would it be the squirrel or the frog? Let us look at this. The frog can jump 3 steps at a time. So, it will go from 13,669 to 13,672 in one jump. Next jump, add 3 to it and it will go from 13,672 to 13,675. One more leap and it will go to 13,678. Now, in the next leap, it will go to 13,681. So, it will not reach the step on which the food is kept. So, the frog will not be able to reach the food. What about the squirrel? Now, the squirrel jumps 2 steps at a time. So, it will go from 13,669 to 13,671. One more jump and it will go to 13,673. Add 2 to it, it will go to 13,675, then 13,677, and finally adding 2 to 13,677, it will reach 13,679. So the squirrel will be able to get the food. So the step on which frog jumps makes skip numbers of 3 and the steps on which the squirrel jumps makes skip number of 2. Let us look at one more example. Write the skip numbers for the following: 23,450, 23,700, 23,950. What would be the next two numbers? The difference between 23,700 and 23,450 is 250. The difference between 23,950 and 23,700 is again 250. Therefore, add 250 to get the next skip number. So, from 23,450, add 250 to it and you go to 23,700. Add another 250 to it and you go to 23,950. Add another 250 to it and you go to 24,200. Adding another 250 to it, we go to 24,450. So, the next two skip numbers are 24,200 and 24,450. Write the skip numbers for the following: 25,000 and 17, 35,000 and 17. What are the next two skip numbers if the last number is 65,000 and 17? The difference between 35,017 and 25,017 is 10,000. So add 10,000 to get the next skip number. 35,017 plus 10,000